Greetings. I will teach you how to create this amazing AI music video.
Hey, I won't stop the spine. The shaker, yo. Hey,
I wore 2 crowns, red and white. Put the land together, made it right. Big king from long ago. Ruled the land where the Nile flows. I stopped the fight, made one big team. Turned the land into a king's dream. Built some walls, made new rules. Taught the people, open schools. My name is Normer, I was first. Put my face on stone, that's my verse, my life.
Norma, king so strong, brought the land together all alone. Red and white, side by side. Now we all walk with Pharaoh pride. Norma, king so strong, brought the land together all alone. Red and white, side by side. Now we all walk with Pharaoh pride.
The first step is to create lyrics to the song. The best way to do this is by using ChatGPT to create the lyrics. Make sure you specify whether it is a male or female voice in the respective sections of the song. If the lyrics sound good, copy them. Then go to Suno.com. There is a custom section where you can paste the lyrics. You can also add a style to the song such as rap, hip-hop, rock, or electronic. I used rap in my case. Click Create, and Suno should generate 2 different songs for you. You can make multiple attempts until you find the best result. Click on the dotted option and download the audio file. Also, use the Get Stems option to separate the vocals and instrumentals. This is important because we will use these vocals to lip-sync certain areas in the video. Next, I used ChatGPT to create prompts for our images based on the lyrics of the song. I then copied those prompts and used them in an AI image generator called Piclumen. This is an affordable image generator that has free credits every day. The images can have consistency issues, but I use ChatGPT to enforce very specific and detailed features. My prompts produced by ChatGPT are quite long for this reason. Don't be scared to use long prompts for these images, as they enhance the details you want. Enlarge the images and save them on your computer. We will use the images in Kling AI, an image-to-video generator. The advantage Kling AI has over many AI image-to-video generators is that it has relatively smooth results for videos and lip sync. I will mainly focus on the lip sync element, as that is not a straightforward task. The first thing you need to do is upload your image, then select the 2.1 master model in the options above. Create a prompt that will make the character look like they are singing and using hand gestures in relation to music. Next, set the video you want to 10 seconds, then click on Generate. This is the video Kling produced. We will now use this video to lip sync our audio, so he looks like he is saying the words in the audio. On the left side of the screen, click on the lip symbol. Make sure the video you want to use is uploaded on the screen. If not, click on History and select the video. Our video is 10 seconds long. Once it is done uploading, a new screen should appear. Remember the audio we separated in Suno? We will upload it here. But before we do that, we need a 9-second audio clip from the original. 10 seconds is the maximum lip sync Kling AI can do at this moment. I used Premiere Pro to clip sections of the audio using keyboard keys I and O accordingly.
hey, I
I wore 2 crowns, red and white. Put the land together, made it right. Big king from long ago.
We will then export that area of the audio and save it on our computer. Then upload it onto Kling. Make sure the audio length has a similar length to the video. If satisfied, select Generate. It only takes about 10 credits. If this was helpful, please like the video. Here are the results after using lip sync on Kling 2.1 master-generated videos.
I wore 2 crowns.
Hey,
I wore 2 crowns, red and white. Put the land together, made it right. Big king from long ago.
King so strong, brought the land together all along. Red and white, side by side.